In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Moonlight app on Android. First, let's open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the app marketplace where you can find a variety of applications. You will recognize it by its colorful icon that resembles a shopping bag with the Google Play logo. Once you tap on the icon, the store will load and present you with numerous apps and games. This step is essential because the Google Play Store is the most reliable source for downloading applications safely. It ensures that you get the official version of Moonlight without any malware or unwanted software. Next, you'll want to search for Moonlight Game Streaming. At the top of the Google Play Store, you will see a search bar. Tap on it and type in Moonlight Game Streaming. As you type, suggestions may appear below, making it easier for you to find the app. Once you see Moonlight Game Streaming in the search results, it confirms that the app is available for download. This step matters because it ensures you are selecting the right app for your game streaming needs, avoiding any confusion with similar applications. After locating the app, tap Install. This button will initiate the downloading process. You may see a progress bar indicating the download status. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. It's a quick action, but it's crucial because installing the app correctly allows you to access all its features seamlessly. Wait for the app to download and install. During this time, your device is setting everything up for you. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a notification confirming that Moonlight has been successfully installed. This is a reassuring moment, as it means you're one step closer to streaming your games. Now open Moonlight from your app drawer. The app drawer is where all your installed applications are located. Look for the Moonlight icon, which typically features a moon against a night sky backdrop. Tapping on it will launch the app, and you'll soon be greeted with its user-friendly interface. Opening the app is vital because it prepares you to configure your settings for game streaming. At this point, ensure your PC is running Sunshine, which is recommended for all GPUs, or NVIDIA GameStream if you are using legacy setups before pairing. This is a critical step because Moonlight relies on these services to stream games from your PC to your Android device. If you're not running either of these programs, you won't be able to connect and stream your games effectively. This setup is important for a smooth gaming experience. Next, connect your Android device and PC to the same network. This connection is necessary for the two devices to communicate effectively. You can use either Wi-Fi or a wired connection, but both devices must be on the same network for seamless streaming. It's crucial because a stable connection reduces lag and improves your overall gaming experience. Finally, follow the on-screen pairing instructions to start streaming your games or desktop. Once you've completed the previous steps, the app will guide you through pairing your Android device with your PC. This usually involves entering a code or confirming a connection. This final step is what makes your gaming experience portable and enjoyable. By following these steps, you are now ready to enjoy Moonlight game streaming on your Android device. Happy gaming!